How to use the Join and Break command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the Join and the Break command in AutoCAD. First, the Join command in AutoCAD allows you to combine multiple objects into a single object. You can use this command by selecting a source object or multiple objects to join at once. The type of object that results depends on the types of objects selected, the type of object selected first, and whether the objects are coplanar. Type J in the command line and press Enter. Select the source object or multiple objects to join at once, then click Enter. Second, the Break command in AutoCAD allows you to split an object into two parts or create a gap in an object. You can use this command by selecting the object to break and specifying 2 points that define the break location. Type break in the command line and press Enter. Select your object. Specify the second point, or you can click on the first point to override the original first point where you selected the object with a new point that you specify. Finally, the Break at Point command in AutoCAD allows you to break an object into two parts at a specified point without leaving a gap. Type Break at Point in the command line and press Enter. Select the object that you want to break, such as a line, an arc, or an open polyline. Specify the point where you want to break the object. You can also use object snaps or tracking to locate the point precisely.